I'm talking to you. And my name is Ayotomiwa, and I totally hate it when you call me Tom Tom. How did you even love someone whose name you can't pronounce properly? How? Okay, let me just come out straight with you. You choke me. Every time you want to be so close, let me breathe. There are times I want to be in some places without you in the background, but you were always there. Okay, you know what? I don't think I love you enough. Maybe to some extreme likeness, but not love. You made me like you. You were always there, even before I call. You give even before I ask. You dragged me into this whole falling in love thing with you. You did. I know you must have been through a lot. Trying to be there for me. I mean, sacrificing this and that, but I don't feel the same for you. I don't.
After you said goodbye,
Maybe you deserve someone better.
I wished
You don't deserve me.
just one more time.
You deserve someone who is ready to walk half the way to meet you. Not someone who you're the only one doing the walking up to. You deserve someone who loves you.